In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add statuses on ClickUp. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can clearly see how to change a task from to do to in progress or complete. Even though this process is short, understanding it properly will make your workflow in ClickUp much smoother and more organized. First, start in your list view. This is the view where your tasks are displayed in a structured list, often with columns like task name, assignee, due date, and status. Make sure you release the right space and folder. Then open the specific list that contains the task you want to update. If you're not already in list view, you can switch to it using the view options at the top of your screen. Working from list view makes it really easy to see multiple tasks and their statuses at a glance. Next, choose the task item you want to add a status for. Simply click on that task in the list. This will open the task's details panel, usually on the right side of the screen or in a separate window, depending on your settings. In this panel, you'll see information like the task name, description, comments, and importantly, its current status. Now, look for the current status on that task. In this example, the status is set to do. You'll usually find this near the top of the task window, often highlighted with a colored label. Click directly on that status label. This tells ClickUp that you want to change it, and it will open a small drop-down menu with the other available options. From the drop-down, you can now choose one of the other two options, in progress or complete. Click on in progress if you've started working on the task and want your team to see that it's actively being handled. When you're fully finished with the task, you can come back, click the status again, and select complete to mark it as done. This is a simple action, but it's very important for keeping your project board accurate and up to date. That's all you need to do to add or update a status on a task in ClickUp. By consistently using statuses like to do, in progress, and complete, you create a clear picture of where every task stands, which helps you and your team stay aligned and productive.